from myself, Luca and Hallie. Yes, Daddy and Nico have had to go upstairs because Nico forgot his hat. We are a little bit behind actually this morning. It's already 10:30. I decided to let the boys lay in this morning. They were absolutely exhausted, so I thought, okay. But it is studio day, so we are heading over to studios. We're going to go to Avengers Campus first, and then we're going to redo rides that are in the studios. After that, I want to see some shows. So I'd like to see Together again. I want to see Mickey and the Magician. But yes, this is my favourite. Do we like it? Marvel. It's Marvel. I'm very excited for the day. What is it? Oh, you want... Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Right, somebody pick the lane for me because I always get the wrong one.
This one. I like this one.
You like this one? Okay. Car park there, mate.
We're back for day 2. No.
Day 2. We're calling it day 2.
Yeah, well, day 2 /3.
Whee,
but day 2. Woo!
Stop confusing it.
Yeah, I reckon we're going to be in either D or C.
Oh, these speed
Oh,
bumps.
the speed bumps are horrific. Jesus. They make you need a wee if you don't already need one. Yeah, we're definitely in D. We're so much further down today.
No.
We're in C26.
Oh, go, day 2.
Day 2, baby.
Can't wait.
I keep wanting to say day 3 though.
No, we're not day 3. No. Right, so I was thinking about this. So, day 1, not day 1, is travel day.
Yes.
So, that's how we're going to post it, is travel day.
Right.
Day 1 was yesterday, which was day 2, but it's really day 1 because it's our day 1.
Okie dokie. Whatever you say, baby.
Does that make sense?
It does.
It doesn't to me.
We are just walking to the studios now, but we've seen signs everywhere that the park's at full capacity today.
We made a boo-boo by staying in bed today. We've definitely made a boo-boo.
Well, I wanted you guys to get a good night's sleep.
I think we needed it, like all fair, like we did need it, but I think we've made a boo-boo.
It's very, very, very busy.
There's a sign saying park full.
Very busy. And you've already got these lot that stood outside the exit trying to buy tickets. Like, be careful of that. Don't sell them your tickets because they're trying to get into pickpocket and steal stuff.
Sophie gave them what for yesterday.
Oh, I told them what for yesterday. I was furious. Hallie. As you can see, Hallie did get a little bit red-faced yesterday after sun and so much more sun cream today. Like, there was 2 layers on her yesterday and she still went a little bit red, so double up the sun cream today. Alright, obviously we were here last night, but it is our first proper day in the studios. We want to get everything done in here, go to Avengers, Toy Story again. Oh, it's just going to be a lush day. Ashley's also going to be going on Tower of Terror. Better him than me, but well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous for you. Look,
are you?
That drop, literally, the doors just opened and we saw it drop. Christ, are you sure?
Not really, no. But I feel like I've got to say I've done it.
Yeah.
If I don't do it, I'll regret not doing it.
Exactly.
So, might as well just get it over and done with. I might absolutely love it. It's just like I was worried about doing the parachute drop.
It's still better him than me, I'm not gonna lie.
Like that. Like the...
That's really nice. It's the same as like the, look how gorgeous.
I'm not
€70.
Well, I say problem. It's not a problem because I'm not a hat wearer, so I would probably only wear this at Disney.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't wear it.
Yeah, but I mean, I'm not gonna wear this Marvel t-shirt out in, you know,
No.
out in town. So
Might wear it around the back. Yeah.
bedtime top. We're gonna need a Disney wardrobe anyway because we're gonna be coming quite often.
So
right, that is an option then. That one. Love that. We are currently in a shop that is just to your left as you come into the studios. It's so quiet in here. It's about 11:30. Very, very, very quiet, and it's lovely. I'm actually really impressed with the amount of Moana merch that there is. I mean, look how cute these ears are. I love them. They're so cute. €35. And then look at these little sandals for kiddies. Adorable. We've got Tinkerbell. Oh, look at all the bottles. Oh, they've got a home cookware section over there. Bowls, placemats. And we'll get you a lolly, but later. I will get you a lolly today, okay? I promise. Oh, darling, they've got some t-shirts and stuff over there. Ah, I mean, you're not going to get much
That's so
in
good.
it.
It's a shock.
Ashley found his mug.
That is so
How much
good.
is
and
that?
look how deep it is as well. That is perfect.
How much is it?
15.
15, okay. Right, well, we know it's here then. I've made a decision that things like that are going to be bought either tomorrow or Monday because I don't want to be carrying around glassware all day. But I put the umbrella down because I was scared that it was going to hit something. Ashley's very torn between hats. Very torn. He's torn between a Pixar and then the one he's got. I think that one's the best choice, if I'm honest.
Because classic Mickey for me is, yeah, it's everything.
Absolutely. Okay, we're going into world premiere. Obviously, if you watched yesterday's vlog, you're going to see that you have to go through here now.
Chers amis, nous vous donnons rendez-vous dans 25 minutes au Theater of the
How
Stars
rude.
pour assister à notre nouveau spectacle déjanté, Alice et la Reine de Cœur, retour au Pays des Merveilles. Merci.
Dear friends, we invite you to discover our electrifying new show, Alice and the Queen of Hearts Back to Wonderland, at Theatre of the Stars in just 25 minutes. Thank you.
It's Alice in Wonderland. 25 minutes, she just said. But yeah, so you have to go through here, you guys. It's gorgeous. Look! It's just beautiful. So you've got the new restaurant to the right here. Now, me and Ash did look at this yesterday. It's very expensive. Like it's very expensive, but it is so aesthetically beautiful. You've got a jewellery shop over there, and then you've got like a main shop over here. You've also got like a little donut refreshment stand as well. And then this here, this is your exit into the park. This is their Sorcerer Mickey section, and Ashley's just found this t-shirt. I think it's so cute. It's on the back. How much are we looking at?
36. So
36, standard price. Yeah, they've got a throw, the mug, they've got the hat that lights up that we saw yesterday.
I think merch, obviously, you know, budget depending.
Yeah.
I think that t-shirt,
Yep,
the hat,
yep.
and the mug.
That's your
Scrooge, yes.
Scrooge McDuck. It just reminds me of Disney Dreamlight Valley when I see stuff like that. Have you found the Lucas found the hat? Lots of birds. It's just what I remember for later. Okay, so these are the donuts. So they've got a Incredibles, Baby Groot. Okay, we got ourselves the Baby Groot donut, €4.50. It is chocolate filled. Alright, taste test.
It's nice and tasty.
Is that Groot?
Baby Groot! Baby Groot!
Oh, it's soft.
Is it soft?
Oh.
Right, Lucas, taste test.
I thought that topping was going to be like sickly.
Yeah.
I was like, I'll hold it. I'll take a big bite. Big bite. Go.
Yes?
No?
Mid.
Sure?
You don't want any?
It's mid.
Right. Sophie taste test.
Okay. Oh, it is soft.
Yes, it's proper nice. Good, isn't it?
That's a mousse inside.
I'll give
Is it?
it a half.
Oh, is it?
mid.
Is it a
That is-
€4.50 donut though?
How soft that is, yes.
Am
Yeah?
I allowed to try this?
Yeah. Yeah. got one very mucky Hallie.
Yeah, was more interested in what was in the shops than what Hallie was doing with her pan of chocolate.
Yep. Oh well. Right, are we ready to leave?
Yes. Yes.
Right, and then we exit here. This is the new exit. Thank you. Right, here we are. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Got gorgeous blue skies. Where are we off to, Luca?
Avengers Campus.
Oh yeah, baby. But yeah, Ashley, I think is gonna ride. What's it called? Avengers Assemble. With Nico. No, it goes upside down. It's in the dark. You will not like it. And I want to catch a show, so I need to look at what times the shows are. Well, here we are in Avengers Campus. It's looking quite busy down there. I won't lie to you. It's okay though, it comes with coming in the summer holidays, I suppose. Oh wow, it does look so good down here. Oh, it's Captain Marvel.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's Iron Man up the top. Okay, Ashley just went on Avengers Assemble.
Absolutely love that ride. Went on it, I think we went on it like 3 times last time we were here, didn't I?
Yeah,
So
he was going it again.
It's in the dark, but you can see the track as well. You can almost know what's coming up. But yeah, 10 out for me, 10 out of 10 for a launch coaster like that. It's just amazing.
Yeah, I think this is where you meet Spiderman later. Yeah, we went here and I went to try and get them a slushie, but they haven't got any slushies, so they said the one down here has.
Right, okay.
But yeah, I just went to look at all the food.
Ice cream.
Okay, so we've just come out of Avengers Campus and this is sort of where it leads you. They've got some custom magnums there that are really cute. And then obviously you've got the Toy Story parachute here. But we're currently on the hunt for slushies. Right, it's 10 minutes. We're about to go on the Cars ride, which is going to be super fun. We loved this one last time, so I think it's going to be really, really lovely. Hopefully. Hallie's excited.
check out the 60s new. I'm ready to meet it, read it, and repeat. Sur la route 66, on prend son temps et on s'abandonne au plaisir de voler.
Penny!
Oui, le plus gros écrou de monde.
Where are we going, Harry? Where are we going?
So it's big. It's so big, isn't it?
Au revoir les amis. Arrivederci.
Ka-chow!
Hey Sally, why were all those crazy things built along Route 66? Les attaques sur les bords de la route ont été construites pour divertir les voyageurs. Je suis irrésistiblement attirée par la vie. Don't drive it there unless your bumpers are good and
Essere debe estar siempre sobre Main City, sentados, por favor, por motivos de seguridad, y por seguridad, ficar sentados, obrigado.
Wow, this canyon is so beautiful and calm. Seulement en apparence.
Oh my gosh, it's hot! It's hot. It's hot. I want to get wet. I didn't get wet.
That was incredible. Incredible. Au revoir.
I've got to watch cars afterwards.
I forget how much I love that ride. It's such a good little family ride. Honestly, it's so cute. We just all sat there. And obviously when it was rocking, I think Hallie got a little bit scared. And then she just, she loved it. The boys loved it too. So that's a really good one. That, 10 out of 10. Ash got a baguette.
Yeah.
Boys obviously got a McDonald's. Because what else are they going to get?
Just fancy getting something different.
Yeah, I just wanted something different, so we got it from the Rosalie, and it's actually really, really nice. They've got loads of options there.
In that restaurant.
Yeah.
There's some well nice stuff on there. It's got crepes, it's got waffles.
Oh, maybe we'll do that then. That was such a lovely lunch. I'm so happy that we ordered from there actually, and we also got our 10% off because we are annual pass holders, so that was good.
Yeah, it's just so nice to have something different to eat, and it's it was tasty as well actually. It was fresh. It was good, reasonably priced.
Really
and
good.
And then you get your 10% as well. So.
Much better than Earl of Sandwich. Much better.
Yes, yeah. I mean, Earl of Sandwich was okay for an emergency something to eat, wasn't it?
Yes, yeah.
Because we were sort of in that mood where we didn't really know what we wanted, so...
Yeah. Well, I've just managed to book us the meet with Spiderman. So we're going to be going to meet Spiderman in about an hour. So that's good. But yeah, cracking. Hey!
Which one? Is that the one you're going to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hallie's got that one. Are you ready, Hallie? Go on, Bob. Go on, Bubba. Go on, Bubba.
What's your name?
It's Spiderman.
What's your name?
Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hi.
What's your name?
Luca.
Luca. Such a cool name.
Let's do high five. Yay! Fab.
Have you been having a good day in the campus?
Yes.
Very good day. You know what? I've not actually had a chance to speak to you since Spider-Man, but oh, what an experience. Luca got really shy for some reason. I did feel quite bad for him, but once we did the photos, he cheered right up. So although you'll see the photos on Instagram instead of on here, he did really, really enjoy it. They're currently waiting for the parachute drop again because you know how much they loved that the first time. So they're going to be doing that again. Hallie is fast asleep right in front of me, so I'm just taking the time to chill out, to breathe, to rest my feet. I am so burnt on the back of my legs, it's not okay. But yeah, honestly, I'm having the absolute time of my life. I'm so happy. And yeah, honestly, I can't put it into words how happy and how grateful I actually am. But yeah, we're just sort of taking in all of Disney. It's like I was saying to Ash, like Disney for me isn't about like it's not about rides and things like that, but more just about being in the moment here and watching the shows and seeing characters and things like that. Like it as a whole. So even if we don't get some rides done, I mean, we're coming back hopefully in October and December anyway, so I'm really not bothered about getting all of that done. So yeah, we're just taking it bit by bit. All right, we've got some time before a show, so I'm going to take Hallie and Luca back on Slinky, and we're really excited for it. It's going to be really sweet. But yeah, we're going to go watch Mickey and the Magician from 6:30. We are about to watch Mickey and the Magician, and we're so excited.
Sorry,
Look, it's so beautiful in here, I can't.
It's there to be found. It is deep inside and all around. It's a gift that only you can bring. It's a song that your heart wants to sing. So take a breath and take this time, and don't you be afraid. Secrets within are beginning to glow, with a shimmer and a glimmer where they ought to go.
Come in, Mickey. Welcome to my workshop, Mickey. Comme tu le vois, ça mérite un bon coup de balai. As you can see, it needs a good clean.
Oui, monsieur le magicien, mais j'ai hâte de faire de la magie.
You must be that young magician I've heard so much about. Bibidi babidi boo, mais quand tu dis ça et vous avez tout. Bibidi babidi boo, ça la guitare de Mexicain boom, la bibidi babidi boo. C'est la magie, je ne connais pas. Bibidi babidi boo, say it with me now, dear, avec moi. Bibidi babidi boo.
Oh, wow,
Disney staff proudly request the honor of your company. Please accept our invitation and be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, shine, and we provide the rest.
Had them 40 each share as I had 1,000 tails. But master, you're in luck. The juggle sees you got a brand and you never fail. You got some power in your corner now, some heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some pizzazz down in the house, and all you gotta do is hold that lamp. And I'll say,
Salut! Qui es-tu?
I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs. That's Elsa, Queen Elsa. Isn't she amazing?
Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go. And I want it to break them down.
Okay, we're back in Disneyland Parks. We finished Mickey and the Magician. I can't decide if I prefer that one or Together, but they were both absolutely incredible. I did film the entire thing, so I'll be picking up little clips of it. But oh, it was just so amazing. Like the Lion King part, loved the Aladdin and the Genie part. Elsa, obviously, it was amazing. But yeah, we're just heading back into the Disneyland Parks now because we're going to have dinner. And then we're going to see if we can do a ride or two, and then it will be fireworks time. We've actually booked the reserved part for the nighttime show tonight, so I'm super excited for that. Honestly, I cannot wait. Got myself a Mickey pizza. Ashley's got the butter chicken again.
Oh yeah, and it's a good portion size.
Yeah, that's a really good portion actually. And then the kids got something from Cafe Hyperion again over in Discoveryland, and we just brought it over because they didn't want what we wanted, so you know, you do what you gotta do. Yeah, pretty much. You weren't a fan of the pizza, were you? This is honestly my favourite time of day, where it is just getting a little bit emptier because everyone's going to for a spot for the fireworks. So cool now compared to what it was. Oh, it's lovely, honestly. It's very nice. But yeah, we're going to go and see if we can get on Casey's Junior because it shut down yesterday and we couldn't be bothered to wait. So, yeah, hopefully.
In the queue, it went to queue and then they went, oh, it's closed.
Yep.
So,
so yeah, hopefully
yeah, it goes.
we can get on that. So Casey's Junior shut, so we'll come to the teacups.
Yeah.
5-minute wait.
Yeah.
Let's see.
This might be food,
So this is our view for the fireworks. We're right at the front. We booked the reserved. There are a few people in front of us, but what a view. It's gorgeous. Look at the view. Yeah. This is so beautiful.
You can feel it in the air with us right now. Let it take you
La magie ne se voit pas toujours avec les yeux. Parfois, la magie est cette chose que l'on ressent à l'intérieur de soi.
Sometimes magic is something you feel inside.
Oh wow.
She loves to see and makes her whole family every time I
Oh wow, it's a drone. It's Lilo and Stitch.
Feels like magic! Magie, magie, magie! You are talking to Disney! Yes!
Buzz Lightyear's talking. I've landed on a strange planet with a formidable fortress. We need to secure the area.
The claw.
The real magic is in our friendship. To infinity and beyond!
On a souvent tendance à chercher la magie. Mais de temps en temps, c'est la magie qui nous trouve.
But every once in a while, magic finds us.
This is what comes to Disney for.
Il suffit d'un battement de cœur. vraie magie se trouve en chacun de nous. Partez à sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
Oh, well, there we go. That is the end of our second full day. The atmosphere at the end of the night is absolutely insane, and it's just so funny how crazy people go for a mouse, and I'm here for it. I love it. But what an incredible night. But oh, love you guys. Night night.